Hi everyone, this is still recording, isn't it? This is the mobile app now for the WebSDR. There's a new app been made by me, so when you go to the main page using a mobile device, you'll get this pop up. So you could go to the desktop one, but it potentially won't display properly. So you go to the new mobile app, click start, and here it is. So similar layout to what it was before. You've got the scroll wheel to adjust the frequency. You've got the tune step, which you can adjust how much step and frequency you let me start that again. You can adjust the tune step, and then that'll adjust how much your frequency moves by when you change either the scroll wheel or the plus and minus buttons. You can also zoom in with the magnifying plus and minuses. You've got a lock button now, which is pretty cool. So you can press the lock button and it won't allow you to adjust anything, which is really useful. If you found a frequency you want to stay on it. You've got the 0 button like you have on the main page. So say we're at 499 and a little bit more. So hold on, let me change the step, show you that. So go up to, let's do 10, go up to 4990113, and then if you hit 0 it'll go down, and then the same applies if you go above 50, it will go up. So that's really useful. Obviously you can change band with all the band selection buttons here. Then you've got various little functions, mute, squelch. Then you can zoom in and zoom out. The FMDX and the SSBDX are like a narrow filter for those modes. And you can change the spectrum to either a spectrum only, a panel full. That needs some extra work. The other cool thing is you can select a needle version of the S meter, so that's that, instead of the bar if you want. And you can turn off the S meter completely, and you can stop the waterfall if you're struggling with bandwidth. The FM has got a new mode now, FM narrow, which narrows it down a bit to for DX, which is pretty cool. And at the top there you've got the desktop button on the far right icon, which actually goes back to the desktop. You've got a search function, which is for a call sign search, which is the same one that's on the main spreadsheet, but just a mobile version, which is cool. And if you click the little Jodel Bank dish, which says 1 next to it, that takes you to the version 1 of this WebSDR mobile app. So you'll go to server 1 instead of server 2 for HF. And it's exactly the same as this app. And if you click where it says WebSDR Jodel 2 and my little logo, that will take you back to the mobile site, well, the main desktop as well. The headphones button is just the start audio button that used to be on there, so that just effectively starts audio if it doesn't start with you pressing the initial button. That is it, guys. So it's pretty whirlwind tour, but there you go. There's the new app. I hope you enjoy it, and it should display a bit better on all mobile devices this time. Let me know if it doesn't and I need to make some amendments. Give us a comment. Thanks a lot. See you later.